my hair is pink. Hello there, beautiful people of the internet, wonderful creatures of this earth. How's you doing today? Last time I had posted about my pink hair on my Instagram, which will be over here. My roots were grown all the way out to here, and on Friday I had decided that I just wanted to dye my roots and go full pink, and this is the result. I would not recommend doing it by yourself for the first time. Go to a professional if you are not one. And that is my update. Anywho, today I have a tiny mini haul for you guys from Beauty Bay. So yeah, let's just get into the video. The first product that I have for you guys is the Wet n Wild Megaglo Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Halo Gorgeous. It's a pink liquid highlighter and it looks gorgeous. And oops, this is what it looks like. This was for £5 on Beauty Bay. And the next product that we have is the Milani Baked Bronzer. This is in the shade number 9 Dolce. And yeah, all I can say is wrong shade. Wrong shade. That's all I'm gonna say. And lastly, we have the Heartbreaker palette from Rincon. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute and so very pink, which is my aesthetic right now. So, you know. And it just has a bunch of neutral pink purples and a bit of red here and there. But yeah, it just has a bunch of neutral pinky, mauvey, purpley colors, and it's cute. It's cute. So let's get into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get this look with these products. Let's get okay. So now that my face is primed, color corrected, concealed, the first product that I will now be trying on for you guys is the liquid highlighter. Sometimes I like to add a little bit under my foundation, like, you know, in all the places that I highlight, my under eye, my nose right here. Sometimes I go for my forehead, my brows, my cupids, I can't remember what it's called, but the top of my lips over here, and my chin. So yeah, ooh, I'm nervous. Trying out new products always excites me, and it makes me nervous at the same time. Okay guys, so this is the applicator. This is different compared to what I'm used to. I have the liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and it's like a dropper. So this is new. I'm gonna go swatch it on my hand first. Ooh. So this is what it looks like on my hand. It's a nice pink. Let's just go with it, you know. So immediately it blends out really nicely, really easily, and it has a nice glow to it already. But I still haven't done my makeup, but I hope that the glow comes through my foundation, because that's what I'm pretty much going for. And I mean, for only £5, like, I mean, look at that nose highlight. That is okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will come back when I'm ready to do my eyes. Alright, now that my foundation has been applied, let's go ahead with the eye makeup and test out that new eyeshadow palette. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with my Soft Matte Complete Concealer from NARS, and this is in Biscuit. So I'm just gonna go ahead on my eyelids and use this to prime them. Now that that's done, first things first is we need to swatch this palette, you guys. It's so pretty, I can't. It's so pretty. So this is the Heartbreaker palette. It's so cute. I'm gonna go from right to left. So this is the shade Valentine. Next, I'm gonna be swatching Charmed. So this is Valentine and this is Charmed. I'm honestly horrible at swatching, as you guys can tell. But these colors are really pretty. Really, really pretty. So those are the first two shimmers that we have. The next two are actually mattes, and this is Teddy. Like, it's like a nice neutral brown. So this is Teddy. And next we have Dolce, I think. Dolce. And this is more like a orangey brown nude, I guess. It's like a beigey kind of nude. I don't know what I would be using that shade for, but okay. So the next one we have is Helsinki, which is like a purpley brownish nude, I guess you can call it. So yeah, there's that, Helsinki. And next we have Femme. It's a nice, it definitely goes with Helsinki. Like if you guys were going to wear them together as like a transition color and a shimmer. It's a really nice red, but I feel like I already have like this type of shade, but oh well. So next we have Moonlight, which at first looks like a lighter version of Valentine. It kinda looks similar to Valentine though. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Like, I think it comes off different on camera, but IRL they don't look too different. Anywho, the next shade that we have is Terracotta. It's like your standard reddish brown right here. So we just finished this. Now we're gonna go through this, and first we have Cupid right there. This is like, wow. It's really out there and it's really funky, and I feel like I'm definitely gonna try and mess around with this soon. Next we have Eclipse, which is a dark purpley brown shimmer. So yeah, right here. Next we have Argentina. And last but not least we have Leona. It's like a orangey red, burnt orangey red color, but it's so pretty. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do for my eyes. I just kind of wanted to wing it. So I think first things first, I'm gonna be taking Helsinki. Put it all on my crease right there. Okay, so just by looking at these swatches, I'm gonna take Terracotta and use it on the outer corners of my eye. I think I'll go for Argentina, see how that works. I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus spray and just wet my brush a little bit. And now I'm gonna go back into Argentina. Now we'll see how that works, okay? So it seems like the shimmers work so much better when you use your fingers to apply them rather than a brush or a wet brush. So fingers. Now this is what we have so far. So I've used Helsinki, I've used Terracotta, and I've used Argentina. to lighten this look up, I'm gonna try and add a little bit of Valentine, which is this first color up here. Ooh, I kind of really like that. So I kind of like this. This color that it's turning out to be. But yeah. So this is like a reddy, pinky, bronze kind of. I don't know if you guys can get all of that detail, but that's pretty much what it looks like, at least in my mirror. I like it. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go finish up my eye makeup and I'll get back to you with the bronzer. I'm back. I finished up my eye makeup. I went ahead and did my concealer. I baked my face, and now we are going on to the last product, which is the baked bronzer. So my worry is this might be a bit light, even though it's their darkest shade. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my other arm. I don't know, this seems pretty light. It kind of seems, you can't even see it. This looks more like a highlighter. I mean, I feel like you can kind of see it in the viewfinder, but I was right. This is too light because I can't even see anything on my face. Like, compared to the bronzer that I use all the time, which is from the Body Shop, and it's in the shade #1 Golden Brown. So yeah, comparing the two of them, this is quite light and it's not even coming up on my face. That's not for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this look with my normal bronzer, and yeah. So yeah, there we go. We can actually see it there. I played myself on that one. I messed up because just from the picture on Beauty Bay, I thought it would be darker, but oh well. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this look and I will be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look that I have for you guys. Just a little, you know, pinky, reddy, mauve-y kind of look for my eyeshadow. You know, just a simple foundation kind of look. Little, you know, lip gloss on my lips. That's it really. Like, it's nothing too extra. It's like, I think it's perfect for like some days if I'm feeling extra cute when I wake up for uni. I'm gonna slap this onto my face and just go. But yeah, onto the products. So for the Wet n Wild Megaglo Liquid Highlighter, honestly, I have no complaints. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that like little, it does have like a nice glow around the areas that I applied it on. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's also like a really natural glow, so it's not too in your face. I like it. Next product we have is the Milani Baked Bronzer. So I was right, even though it is the darkest shade, it was way too light, did not even come up on my face, so I ended up using my own bronzer instead. And lastly, we have the Heartbreaker palette. Now, I really like this palette. I don't really have too many bad things to say, except for I noticed that a few of the mattes, the really light ones like Helsinki and Dolce, like you have to really pack it on. But even if you pack it on, it's like really easy to blend out. So if you accidentally put on too much, it shouldn't take too long for you to just blend it out with your brush. The shimmers, as I said, they work well when you use your fingertips to apply them. Yeah, those are all the products, and you want to see more videos like this, feel free to, you know, leave a comment, like, share this video with your friends, your family, your grandma, your pets, your Pokemons, yeah. Follow me on all my socials, my Instagram and Twitter at just JosieE97, and my Facebook, Josie Al-Suwaidi. All the links will be in the description box below, so y'all should get on that. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you when I see you.